Do you see? There. Okay. Hi guys, this is your home screen of your logbook, okay? So when you press here, where you see off duty, press here, you can see all your statuses, okay? So every time you choose some status, you need to add a remark. So you have all listed statuses here. If you don't have, you can type it in here and click save. So you have a brake, pre-trip inspection, post-trip inspection, fuel, drop and hook. So you can choose whatever you want. Click save, choose some status from here, and that's it. So you are on duty when you are doing the fuel, pre-trip inspection, post-trip inspection. When you are doing pickup delivery, when you have some maintenance doing on your truck or the trailers, and when you have a DOT inspection on the road. So please be sure never to be on duty while you are doing 30 minutes break, because it can count in your 70-hour cycle. PC or personal conveyance, we are only using for the personal things like showering, like going shopping, like going to see a movie. So please be sure to use this really carefully. Yard moves are only for the yard when you are at the dock and waiting in the line to be loaded or unloaded. So we are going back here on the arrow. So here where you see vehicle, trailer, and shipping ID, you will click here. Please always check that your tablet is connected to the right vehicle. Here where you see trailers, you have to add your trailer or the trailer numbers. Okay, so you have to delete the previous trailers that you have listed here and add the new one. Also, for the shipping ID, you have to add the BOL number or the manifest number and delete the previous one. This is really important. If the DOT inspector stops you, they can give you violation for this if you didn't put the right informations. So you will click done and you're all set. If we go to this blue button, you will see how much time do you have until break, how much time you have still to drive, how much time total shift, and how much time for the cycle. Please be very careful about this. Don't make these circles go into the red. When it is in the red, that means that you are in the violation. Okay? So when you scroll down, you will see all your logs from previous day. So the important stuff is that when you're done with your shift, you have to certify your log for that day. So you see where the uncertified is, so you will click here, certify and submit, agree and submit. Now your log is certified. So please don't make us call you to certify your logs. If the DOT inspector sees that logs are not certified for previous day, they can give you a violation for that. Now, when you have the roadside inspection, you will have to lock your tablet. Why is that so? Because we want DOT inspector to see only 7 previous days of your logs. So you will click on this button, roadside. you will put 4 random numbers in here that you will remember. So I will put the easiest one, 1, 1, 1, 1, and lock the screen and click OK. Now he can see only 7 days of our log. He will ask you to transfer him those logs. So you will click this button, transfer, click here, click on this blue button, wireless web service, and then you will put here or his badge number or the number of the report, whatever he's told you to put in, and hit the transfer button. So I'm going to go back right now. I want to unlock my screen. So I will put 4 random digits that I remembered. It's 1, 1, 1, 1, and continue. So now we are at the screen, previous screen with all of our logbooks. So I'm going to go back here on the arrow on the home screen. Now we are going to do this green button, which is called DVIR. DVIR is short for Driver's Vehicle Inspection Report. So when we click here, okay, we are going to do this DVIR 1 time per shift. So the regulation states that every driver needs to do 1 DVIR per shift. So you will do it with the pre-trip inspection or the post-trip inspection. It's your choice. So create DVIR. We have to go on duty because when you're doing pre-trip or post-trip, you have to be on duty. So put it on duty. So now here you can see all the informations about your truck. You will hit pre-trip or post-trip inspection button. So I will now do the pre-trip. You will take 4 pictures of the driver's side, front side, passenger side, and the back with this tablet. Okay, then you will hit the button Perform Inspection. So when everything is fine on the truck, you will put the check mark, green check mark. But when you find that something is wrong on the truck, you will find that component and you will mark it with X. Take the picture of that part and go back. You will scroll down here. You will mark it safe to drive or unsafe to drive, and you will hit next button so it can perform the inspection. So let's go back to the home screen. Okay, so the other thing which is important for you to know is when you scroll down here and you see that gray button which says driving team, the important thing is to add your co-driver to your log. So when you're starting the shift, you'll add him as a passenger. Put his username and password here and you will add him. Also, he needs to add you as a co-driver when he is starting to drive. So this is a one-time thing. You don't need to do that all the time if you're having the co-driver that it's constantly with you. So that's it. Thank you for watching.